A word bank question is best thought of as a variation of a multiple choice question. Instead of simply selecting the correct answer from a list, the learner is required to take a more active role by dragging the correct word or phrase into a blank space immediately below the question text. This added interaction increases engagement, while still maintaining the structure of a traditional graded question. From a development standpoint, the form view looks almost identical to what you see when creating a multiple choice question. The form is divided into the same three sections: the question text at the top, the answer choices in the center, and the feedback section at the bottom. In the middle section, you'll still see the correct column, where you identify which word or words belong in each blank. Any additional choices you add become distractors that appear in the word bank, but do not belong in the sentence or answer the question. Just like other graded questions, you can enter custom correct and incorrect feedback, adjust scoring, and use the More button to add audio feedback or program additional trigger actions tied to the learner's response. The key difference isn't how the question is programmed, it's how the learner interacts with it. Word bank questions maintain the reliability of multiple choice scoring while introducing a more hands-on interaction for the learner.